Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got flip truck content for you. We got Fleece transmission lines. One of the ones on this is leaking. This was probably the best kit you could buy. Fairly inexpensive. Obviously I'll put a price breakdown over here of what we're in the truck. And then Pops is working on a glow plug relay for one of the check engine lights. And then hopefully after today, this truck is check engine light, well, free, but it has an intake air heater check engine light on. Obviously the only way to get rid of that is if we get it deleted, or I mean tuned. And I'll probably get to knocking out these transmission lines. Pops is working on figuring out where this is, and then we're pretty close to hopefully having this truck wrapped up, and hopefully can get it listed for sale and hopefully get it sold. So I'll work on this, Pops work on that, time lapse a little bit of it, and I'll catch up with you guys at the end. Under there making a mess. Made a mess up here. Alright, I've got the glow plug relay right here. Got these two nuts here, and then either side of those terminals. So the module that we got was not the right one, but the relay inside was the same. So I just took the relay out of the new module and put it into the old module. It's just a relay, so should work. So that's back in, ready to be tested. Hopefully that was the problem with our glow plugs. So you got glow plug relay here. You got the glow plug control module, which is separate back here by the firewall. And action. We got the old transmission lines off, assuming it was leaking probably on one of the crimp points from factory. So as you can tell, it's a bloody mess under there. But we just gotta put the two fittings in, and then we should be able to wrap the new Fleece performance lines. Not terrible getting in here, but definitely messy. Not the cleanest, so. But they're out, and we'll get this other stuff thrown in. Hopefully these new ones in easy and done.
Easy peasy.
Transmission lines in there, two up here, and then two on the trans. Gonna get the air box and the air filter and everything else put back on, and then we'll go ahead and start it and clear the code for the glow plug thing and see if it comes back and go from there. All right, now we're gonna clear some codes. Codes found. Erase. Erase done. Now I know that the intake heater one will come back on. But hopefully the other code for the grid heater won't come back on. So. Obviously it'll take a little bit before, it takes like a couple times for the intake heater one to come on. So I'll have to drive it and go from there. Now we've got a mess to clean up. Messy. Good old fleece kit. Gives you all necessary fittings. Obviously a ton of extra ones too. I'll probably keep these with the first gen's extra fittings, just to have them just in case. First gen, still waiting for Turbski to get back. Probably won't see anything on this for another 2 weeks or so. And yeah, good old Fleece Performance sticker, koozie. And yeah, overall, very solid kit. Highly recommend.
10 out of 10.
Recommend. Turn this back on, see if we can get the check engine light to come up. Okay, so check engine light's back on. It should hopefully just say one code for the intake heater. One code found, which I would assume is the, which I read it and it's the intake heater. So depending on if I decide to get it tuned before I sell it or not, probably not. I can just let them know that that's what it's on for. I also have a service airbag light, but like every time it's on, right, it'll go away. But as soon as you start it, it comes back on. And then the service airbag, I actually don't know what that is because this can't.
The service
read.
One light?
Service airbag.
Oh,
This can't read that. So hopefully, success. All right, just got back from the test drive. Everything seems to shift just fine. All good. Parked it in here just to make sure we have no leaks, but I think we'll be okay. Fleece kit, wasn't a horrible install at all. Pop's got whatever relay, hopefully in the glow plug's all resolved and fixed. I think we're gonna go ahead and probably get this cleaned up and get it posted for sale. I'll have a breakdown of what we're in the truck over here and whatnot, and then I'll have to go get pictures and whatnot later tonight so I can get it posted up for sale, and we will update you guys if the truck sells and what it sells for and all that, so you guys know the profit margins that were made. But other than that, I don't think it needs anything else. I also got a new windshield. Obviously that wasn't in a video, and other than that, I think everything on it is up to date. The check engine light obviously can't get turned off unless we get it tuned. No point in getting it tuned. I can just let the next person do that. And the check airbag lights on. I might have one of my friends with a monitor, like an actual one, read it so I know what it is, but we can't do that here. So I think it'll be good enough though to hopefully throw it up for sale and go from there. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about it or whatnot, let me know. Other than that, I think this will probably be the last video with this truck until it sells and update you guys on what it sells for. So that being said, thank you guys for watching. Take care of your LB7s. See you in the next one. Peace.